I just got these Shoulder Dolly moving straps. In fact, we got 2 sets of them because we need 4 people to lift an exceptionally heavy piece of furniture, and we realized that this is the only way to really move it carefully where we need to go. Now, how this works is you really just put it over your shoulders and make sure it X's on the back just like that, and make sure it doesn't twist because you're really going to want that flat against your back. And then on the front, it has this really large metal brace that very clearly says front on the top. This is what you're going to hook the strap to that will go under the furniture and connect to the other person. And then it also has these interior straps right here. And this is if you need to lift anything higher up with your arms. You can actually put this on your arms and help you lift as well. So you're getting the pull on your shoulders and you can use your arms. Now for what we're lifting, we are not going to be using these arm straps. We are just going to use the main brace. And how this works is it really just has this exceptionally strong strap here. You're going to run it up through the back and then around the metal little middle piece there that has all the claws on it to really hold the nylon in place. And then once you get it to the length you want it, it's going to hold it really, really tight. And each set comes with 2 shoulder straps. So then you would hook this strap to the other person. If you need to put it under the piece of furniture first, do that, get it as tight as you need, and then lift. That's really it. And what I love about this is that I can tell already that it really is going to put all the weight on my shoulders and my knees, so I can keep my back straight. I'm not going to have to bend down at all. It can do the lifting for me. And the main challenge is not overdoing it myself, because this shoulder dolly can lift up to 800 pounds. So I have no concern about how much this shoulder dolly can lift. It's just if I can help in this project or if we're going to need someone else to do it. But let me give an example of how this works on just a piece of furniture in my backyard. Now, this is not a perfect example by any means, because really you should have 2 people, another person on the other side. But hypothetically, I could wrap this around here and I would have a person on the other side with their side, and then we could lift together. That's so cool. This is really, really heavy. This is a stone top. I know it's a small table, but it actually has a decent amount of weight to it. And this actually makes it way easier, even doing that over my usual bend with my back lift. So that's really how it works. So while it's really simple in concept, it is also extremely useful. I know we're going to put this to use in so many more ways. This is the shoulder dolly. If you're about to lift heavy things, don't hurt your back, use this. I think you'll really love it as well.